Hey, welcome back to part 3 of 4 of Mastication and Food Rules. Every time I say that, I just have to say it like that because it's so awesome. Food is amazing. It's the things that keep us fueled and healthy, right? The vitamins and minerals that we put in our body. So Food Rules today is going to talk about our third part of our 4-part series on mastication, nutrient absorption. Remember we talked about digestive enzymes, why those are important, why they're actually produced in your mouth with help of your saliva, and that helps digest your carbohydrates, and then it goes down into your stomach and everything and helps digest your proteins, and we want those digestive enzymes to be created. If they're not created, then we're going to have a little more harder time doing our nutrient absorption. And that has to do with our process of digestion. And that's why it's so important to chew, right? We want to chew. So today we're going to talk about breaking down that food so that we can actually absorb the nutrients, right? What's the point of eating it if it's just going right on through? We're actually doing more damage to our body at that point in time. We're not taking on those vitamins. We're not taking on those minerals. And so what I really want to point out too is saliva releases those digestive enzymes. So you want to create that saliva, right? That's something that is good. And also, some of our foods that we eat have a cellular wall, like a cell wall that needs to actually be broken down so you can actually absorb those nutrients. And when we're not chewing, that's not happening. So we're losing vital vitamins and minerals and things that we want to absorb into our body so that we can be healthy, right? So the point is to get all of our nutrients from our food more than taking supplements and just adding things to our diet that we actually don't need. We could actually save money. There are times when supplements are going to be beneficial to you, and you'll have to understand that and know that, and we'll talk about that more in upcoming episodes here. But we want to talk about eating too quickly, and we don't want you to be doing that. So we want you to absorb that food. We want to be mindful. Be mindful. When you're sitting there, try to take away any distractions and just focus on your digestion, right? Focus on chewing. Focus on everything going into your body and it being absorbed as you need it, and whatever you don't need can be eliminated. So, recap, digestive process, super, super important. Absorption of nutrients, important. Promoting fullness is what we're going to talk about next week on our last series of the four parts of mastication, is that feeling of fullness, why that's important, and we'll talk about some hormones that are produced to help you know that you're full. So thanks for joining today. Just want to shout out, if you do have any questions, even about supplements. Supplements, yes, can be good, but they're not always needed. But let's look at that and see if that's right for you. So reach out to us. We're here to help you and hope you have an awesome day. Food rules. So let's take it to the next level.